time where the silence begins. I watched as the dust painted gold on your face, then watched it dissolve, leaving only your trace. I built my days in borrowed grace. Now every shadow wears your face. We left the rain in yesterday's light, where the echoes sleep and dreams take flight. You were the song that I couldn't replay, fading slow like a film on a rainy day. And though the night forgets your name, I'm still standing in the flame. We left the rain in yesterday's light, but I'm still holding on too tight. Your coat on the hook, like a ghost on the wall. The world moved ahead, but I stalled in the fall. Your voice in the hallway, it bends and it breaks in a home full of almost and heartaches. I keep my hopes in worn out runs, still tuned to all our ancient signs. We left the rain in yesterday's light, where the echoes sleep and dreams take flight. You were the song that I couldn't replay, fading slow like a film on a rainy day. And though the night forgets your name, I'm still standing in the flame. We left the rain in yesterday's light, but I'm still holding on too tight. There's beauty in leaving, but not in goodbye. There's truth in the quiet that trembles and lies. Your hand on my back, a memory blurred, a love that's remembered more than it's heard. We left the rain in yesterday's light, where the shadows danced and time felt right. You were the sky that I could now grow. Now you're the silence in every echo. Some part of me will always stand the rainy yesterday's light. And I still dream of you each night. You faded soft like ending skies, but I still see